Hi everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, today we are making something super fast, super easy. We're using two products to help us along the way, but we're gonna get a dish in a few minutes. Like, it's crazy. All right, so today I'm making a fried rice with white rice medleys. So this is the fried rice version. So I don't have to add a bunch of stuff to rice to get that flavor because it's all packed into this bag. All right, so I'm gonna get this into the pan. I have a cup and 1/3 of water, and we're just gonna pour this right in. So this goes into 1 1/3 cups of boiling water. Shut off the heat, and we're gonna give it a little stir. Lid on, and we're done. 12 minutes in the pan, turn off that heat, just let it sit there, do its thing. And we got a bunch of beautiful green and vegetables here today. We got some cilantro, we got green onions, I have a serrano chili, bit of spice there, zucchini, some asparagus, and a shallot. And we're gonna put that all together, toss it in with the rice, and that's it. So let's prep the ingredients. So we got our ginger, just gonna give this a peel. Nice to use a spoon to peel it. So we just need about that amount. I'm just going to give that a mince. Now let's move on to our shallot. I just like to top and tail mine. Everyone has their own way of cutting. This is kind of an odd shaped shallot, so I'm just kind of going to do like thin slices, and then I'm just going to give it a little rough chop. So to a non-stick pan, I'm just going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to get our shallot and our ginger going. Okay, we got our zucchini. It's gonna tail it down the middle, and then I'm gonna cut it on a bias. Right into the pan. Hit it with some salt, some pepper. We got a serrano chili. Same again, top and tail. Now I just like to do thin slices like this. I'm going to use about a half of this, and we're going to toss that in too. Right in there. So we got our asparagus. So I'm just going to cut the ends off, and again, everything on a bias. Kind of like that. Because they're just prettier this way. I'm going to add that in to the pan. Nice high heat. A little splash of water in here, and this will help soften the vegetables. So we're gonna cook those for a few minutes, soften them up. You don't want to overcook them. You want that nice crunchy vegetable. All right, so we got 2 green onions. Just gonna give this a nice chop. We're gonna stir this in towards the end, or even as a garnish on top, whatever you want. So just some cilantro. Just gonna give that a rough chop. There's a nice sprinkle at the end. Okay, I'm gonna add in about a cup of peas into this. They're just frozen peas. I just thawed them out. I'm just gonna add those in. All right, so we're making fried rice. You can't have fried rice without egg. Okay, so this product I came across, it's called Just Egg. It's vegan egg. It's made out of mung bean. It's super, super healthy. So this is the other part of their product. They have a liquid version as well that I've used before, which is great. But this is this comes in individual packets. So if you want to make a breakfast sandwich in the morning, I think it's awesome, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take it out of the package, and you can put these in your toaster. It's the things they do these days, I swear, it's crazy. So I'm just going to take that out, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop it up. So you can actually finally have a nice vegan fried rice. So I'm just going to add that in, heat that up. It's already cooked, so we just need to heat it up and stir it in there. I'm going to add half of my cilantro in here, all right? And I'm going to add half of my green onion in here. All right, so we got everything here. It's beautiful. We got our rice. So I'm just going to fluff it here. Wow, look at that. Look at the color of that as well. Just so many great flavors in there. Just add it. We don't need to fry it. It already has the flavor of fried rice. So I'm just gonna toss everything together. All right, so that is it. We got a beautiful green fried rice. I mean, we kind of fried it a tiny bit. We sauteed some vegetables, I got my plate, so let's plate it up. All right, so there you have it. We've made a beautiful green fried rice using bright rice and just egg. Try those two products out together, because look what we made. So easy. Come on. It took like 15 minutes and you didn't have to get it from the takeaway, and it's vegan. All right guys, see you later. Try this out.